Hi guys, today we're gonna do chicken with the fettuccine Alfredo type. So we have some chicken here that's honey and mustard. We're gonna take here, we have 2 cups of pasta, egg yolk. We also have half a cup of milk and half a cup of cream with 2 spoons of butter in here. And here's some cheese. You add the one you like and the amount you like, you know. And the veggie we're going to use today are sweet pepper with shallot, and the spice will be garlic with well, you'll see. I'm going to show it to you a little later. So now the water is boiling, so we're going to add our nice pasta. Okay, I usually make my own, but we don't really have the time for this, so we have to do with what we have. These ones are very healthy anyway, so we're going to put this, and we're going to fry our chicken in the pan, and we'll be back. Give me a second. When your pasta are half cooked, not totally al dente, you're going to strain them without water, okay? You're going to put them back in the pan, and you're going to use your 3 ingredients here: milk, cream, and butter. And we're going to let it rest so it can soak it up. And we're going to put the cheese. You let it rest, really low fire. The chicken strips are here. You can see they're nicely cooked. And we have the veggie here. The veggie, I cook half and leave half raw, and I mix them together. Put this on top here, and we're gonna wait for our pasta to be ready and serve. We have our pasta here. I like to add chives. It's give a nice color to your pasta, because if not, it's going to be a little bit drab. In French, we say that. It's kind of pale, you know, pale of color. It's not really appetizing. So you put your chicken stripe on top like this, with some of these nice veggies. And voila guys, I'm gonna show you that beautiful plate. Voila, there we go. This is my, et voila, bon appétit.